The Book of Psalms, Tehillim 104. Bless YAHUAH, O my being. O YAHUAH, my Elohim, you have been very great. You have put on excellency and splendor, covering yourself with light as with a garment, stretching out the heavens like a curtain, who is laying the beams of his upper rooms in the waters, who is making thick clouds his chariot, who is walking on the wings of the wind, making his messengers the winds, his servants a flame of fire. He established the earth on its foundations, so it would not totter forever. You covered it with the deep as with a garment. The waters stood above the mountains. At your rebuke they flee. At the voice of your thunder they hurry away. They go up the mountains, they go down the valleys, to the place which you have founded for them. You did set a boundary, they do not pass over. They do not return to cover the earth. Who is sending the springs in the valleys? They flow among the hills. They give drink to every beast of the field. Wild donkeys break their thirst. The birds of the heavens dwell beside them. They sing from between the branches, watering the hills from his upper rooms. The earth is satisfied with the fruit of your works, causing the grass to grow for the cattle and plants for the service of mankind, to bring forth food from the earth, and wine that makes glad the heart of man, oil to make the face shine, and bread which sustains man's heart. The trees of YAHUAH are satisfied, the cedars of Lebanon which he planted, where the birds do make nest. The stork has her home in the fir trees. The high hills are for the wild goats, rocks a refuge for rock badgers. He made the moon for appointed times. The sun knows it's going down. You put darkness, and it is night. In it all the beasts of the forest creep. The young lions are roaring for prey and seeking their food from El. The sun arises, they withdraw and lie down in their dens. Man goes out to his work and to his labor till evening. O YAHUAH, how many have been your works? You have made all of them in wisdom. The earth is filled with your possessions. There is the sea, great and wide, in which are innumerable swarms, living creatures, small with great. There do ships go, that Leviathan which you made to play there. All of them wait for you, to give their food in due season. You give to them, they gather in. You open your hand, they are satisfied with good. You hide your face, they are alarmed. You take away their breath, they die and return to their dust. You send forth your spirit, they are created, and you renew the face of the earth. The esteem of YAHUAH is forever. YAHUAH rejoices in his works, who looks on the earth and it trembles. He touches the mountains and they smoke. I sing to YAHUAH as long as I live. I sing praise to my Elohim while I exist. My meditation on him is sweet. I rejoice in YAHUAH. Let sinners be consumed from the earth, and let the wrong be no more. Bless YAHUAH, O my being. Praise Yah.